Good morning students, welcome to the class. So now we are going to start the next topic, that is the outbreak of the revolution. Louis XVI had to increase taxes for reasons you have learned in the previous section. So you know that why Louis XVI was increasing taxes because of various luxuries and his army and army members. So how do you think he could gone about this doing? In France of the old regime, the monarch did not have the power to impose taxes according to his will alone. Rather, he had to call a meeting of the States General, which would then pass his proposal for new taxes. So according to the old regime in France, the monarch or the king could not alone passes a bill or impose a bill on general public. So he had to call a meeting and the generals were pass his proposal for new taxes. So on 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the States General to pass proposals for new taxes. So on 5th May, Louis XVI called a meeting for the new taxes. A represent hall in Versailles was prepared to host the delegates. Who were delegates? The people to choose. The people are chosen to speak in a meeting, that were called delegates. The first and second state sent 300 representatives each. So first member of the society, state of the society, and second state of the society sent 300 representatives each, who were seated in rows facing each other on two sides, while the 600 members of the third state had to stand at the back. So as you know that the France was divided into three states. First stage was of clergy, second of noble, and third of masses. Third of masses is of belongs to the poor class or the peasants, farmers, lawyers, etc. So these two are the privileged class of the society, and this class is the down class of the society. So when the meeting was held, the meeting was called. The two rows are occupied by the first and second state, and the third state had to stand at the back. There were no arrangement for their sitting. The third state was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. Peasants, artisans, and women were denied entry to the assembly. So peasants, artisans, and women were denied. They did not get entry to the assembly hall. However, the grievance. What is the meaning of grievance? Something that is unfair and you want to complain about it. So they wanted to complain about this unfair manner of the treatment, and demand were listed in some 40,000 letters which the representatives had brought with them. So they demanded and complained about it and wrote 40,000 letters which the representative brought with them in the meeting. Voting in the States General in the post had been conducted according to the principle that each state had one vote. So in earlier times, in old regime, according to old regime, voting is done according to that each state has one vote. This time too, Louis XVI was determined to continue the same practice. So जब लुई 16 ने मीटिंग्स को कॉल किया तो उन्होंने भी सोचा कि जैसे पहले ओल्ड रिजाइम में वर्क होता था, दैट ओनली वन वोट इज गिवन टू ईच स्टेट, सो उसने भी वैसी ही मीटिंग को कंडक्ट किया. बट The members of the third state demanded that voting now be conducted by the assembly as a whole, where each member would have one vote. But the members of the third state wanted that this time voting should be changed, and now each member of the state get the equal rights for voting. This was one of the democratic principles put forwarded by the philosophers like Rousseau in his book. ये एक डेमोक्रेटिक राइट है हमारा कि हर एक मेंबर के पास इक्वली वोट होना चाहिए. द सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, व्हेन द किंग रिजेक्टेड दिस प्रपोजल, members of the third stage walked out of the assembly in protest. So when the king denied this proposal, the member of the third stage walked out of the assembly in protest. So जब वहाँ के किंग ने, लुई 16 ने ये ऑफर को, प्रपोजल को नहीं एक्सेप्ट किया, डिनाई कर दिया कि इक्वली वोट्स नहीं मिलने चाहिए सबको, तो वहाँ पे जो थर्ड स्टेट के मेंबर्स थे वो वहाँ से वॉकआउट कर गए. The representatives of the third stage viewed themselves as the spokesmen of the whole French nation. On 20 June, they assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles. So now the members of the third stage are gathered on 20th June for a assembly and to protest against this unfair treatment. They declared themselves as National Assembly and sought not to disperse till they had drafted. Disperse means spread or separate. They gathered as an assembly and swore, and they और उन्होंने एक ओथ ली, एक शपथ ली कि जब तक उनकी ये बात नहीं मानी जाएगी वो वहाँ से डिस्पर्स नहीं होंगे, स्प्रेड आउट नहीं करेंगे. Constitution for France that would limit the powers of the monarch. They were led by the Mirabeau and Abbe Sieyès. Mirabeau was born in a noble family but was conceived the need to do away with a society of feudal privileges. He brought out a general and delivered powerful speeches to the crowds assembly at Versailles. So these were the two scholars who provide powerful slogans and articles for them in the newspapers and journals. So from the next paragraph we will do in our next class.